Welcome to my walkthrough and review of Unit 414, a family villa at the beautiful Grecotel Cape Sounio Boutique Resort. It's located about an hour from downtown Athens in the Athens Riviera countryside. This villa has 2 sleeping areas and 1 bathroom. The rooms include a dining area, a bedroom-living room combo, a separate bedroom with 2 twin beds that can be made into a king, and a large bathroom with a shower and no tub. You do have to walk through the bedroom to access the restroom. Let's take a walk through the villa and explore the lanai deck and the private pool.
Love, I know that you cannot stay, and it's been too much for anyone to take. And you've outgrown me and all my ways, and I can't find a way to keep you in this place. I wish it weren't so, but I'm your home base, you're a rolling stone, and you'll go alone. Last night, when I watched you go, and I had found out you never called this home, and that's alright, but now at least I know that while I'm settled here, you were always wrong. I am left, I'm feeling oh so cold, 'cause I'm your home base, you're a rolling stone, and you'll go alone.
Overall, while nice, this villa felt older and had more visible wear and tear than other units we stayed at this hotel. The pool was deeper than it looks, and the water was clean and cool, but the pool liner does have bubbles and welts. It wasn't bad enough for me not to love this beautiful space, and I'm sure the hotel management have replacing it on their list. The breakfast platter was delivered and contained an assortment of fruits, breads, juices, pastries, and most importantly, coffee. The hotel lobby and restaurants are a short walk down the hill, adjacent to the very large hotel pool, with views of the Temple of Poseidon in the distance. Because it's so close, it's a great place to stay to explore those temple grounds, but be prepared with water and sunscreen because the visit can be very, very hot. After returning, I spent the entire afternoon at the hotel beach, enjoying attentive service, and best of all, swimming in the sea in what was once a seaport filled with warships, trading galleys, and, a few times, invading Spartans.
Love, I know that you cannot stay, and it's been too much for anyone to take. And you've outgrown me and all my ways, and I can't